Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and on this Nissan Sentra we're going to go over how you'd replace this housing here. There are actually no lights that go into this, but if it was cracked or broken and you want it to be replaced, we're going to go over how you do that. So first you'll need to pop the trunk and raise it up. So with the trunk popped and raised, you're able to, there are some push pins to be removed all the way around here. You don't need to remove them all, you just need to remove enough to be able to pull this carpet piece down. And we've got one bolt here and one here. And once you loosen those two, then we should just be able to pop that out. So we've removed the two screws, or the nuts on those bolts. So it turns out there's one little plastic clip that if you just squeeze together with a pair of pliers. So the plastic clip was this one here that I just squeezed together with a pair of pliers to be able to get to pull out. And then of course you got this clip right here which sticks in there, so it makes it a little bit tougher to come out. But that's how you remove this housing if you need to, because you want to replace it. There, like I said, there are no lights that are actually in this one. Might be on different models. This is just the SV, so it must be the strip down. Maybe that's why there's no extra lights inside of this. So you just put it back on in the reverse. Snaps in there, and then put the two nuts on there. Tighten it up, and then you'll just put all the push pins back in, and so that's how you replace your rear inner housing assembly. There you go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.